Businesses, warehouse operators, manufacturers pay attention because Boston Dynamics Atlas has just moved a mini fridge. And no, this is not just a very expensive robot helping itself to a soda. This is one of those moments where robots quietly shift from that's impressive to that could actually be useful. Welcome back, I'm RoboPhil, bringing you daily robotic news, robotic business strategy, humanoid robot updates, AI robotics, automation, and physical AI insights. So what's happened? Boston Dynamics showed its new electric Atlas handling a mini fridge. But the fridge is not really the point. The real story is how Atlas moves. It's using reinforcement learning and advanced control systems to understand weight, balance, momentum, and awkward object handling. In plain English, it's not just grabbing something with its hands, it's using its whole body. It braces, it adjusts, it compensates, it's moved like it understands the object has mass. This is a massive deal, because real workplaces are not clean little demo stages. Factories are messy, warehouses are unpredictable, stockrooms are awkward. And anyone who has tried to move a fridge through a doorway knows quickly it becomes less logistics and more group therapy. This is why humanoid robots matter. If robots can learn to handle heavy, awkward objects safely, they could support manufacturing, logistics, retail, healthcare, facilities management, and warehouse automation. Not by replacing everything overnight, but by taking on repetitive, physical, injury-prone tasks that slow teams down and cost businesses money. This is the commercial shift. Humanoid robots are moving beyond entertainment demos and into practical work. Today it's a mini fridge, tomorrow it could be tools, parts, stock, medical supplies, or warehouse goods. The future of robotics is not just about robots looking human. It's about robots becoming useful in human-shaped environments. Subscribe to RoboPhil for daily robotic news.